Hello, my name is Mohammed Haris and I'm going to present my digital image processing project, which is to estimate the position of a double pendulum using image processing. So we can see on the screen in the first image, I'm rendering the original image, and on top of it, I'm rendering the displaying the angles. The first angle is the angle at the first arm, the upper arm with makes with the vertical line, and the second angle is the angle for the lower arm, which it makes with the vertical line. We can see that in the second image I am averaging out the original image, the original frames, so that I can cancel out the effects of noise. In the third image I'm using Canny edge detection, which gives a edge single pixel thick edge, and then I'm further processing it using Hough transform, which connects lines through different pixels, and which gives us the angles of the double pendulum. Moving on, the objective of the project was to obtain the angles for both the arms which are displayed. Then I had to display the angular frequency or the angular velocities. Then I had to minimize the computation cost, which we can see that's very low. Thank you.